Essential data structures to master in Python. We will explore some of the essential data structures that every Python programmer should have a good grasp of. Why are data structures important? Data structures are a fundamental part of computer science, as they allow programmers to store and organize data in a way that is efficient and easy to access. Lists. Lists are one of the most versatile data structures in Python, allowing developers to store a collection of items in a specific order. Lists can hold elements of different data types and can be easily manipulated using various built-in functions. Arrays. Arrays are another important data structure in Python, providing a way to store a collection of items of the same data type. Unlike lists, arrays have a fixed size and are more memory efficient, making them ideal for storing large datasets or numerical values. Dictionaries. Dictionaries are key value pairs that allow developers to store data in an unordered manner. Each element in a dictionary is accessed using a unique key, making lookups fast and efficient. Dictionaries are commonly used to represent real-world entities and relationships, making them a powerful tool for data manipulation and retrieval. Stacks. Stacks are a last-in first-out (LIFO) data structure that supports two main operations, push and pop. Stacks are commonly used in algorithms and applications where elements need to be processed in a specific order. Graphs. Graphs are nonlinear data structures that consist of nodes connected by edges. Graphs are used to model complex relationships and networks, such as social networks, transportation networks, or computer networks. With graph algorithms like breadth-first search and depth-first search, developers can traverse and analyze graphs efficiently. Conclusion. In conclusion, mastering essential data structures in Python is a valuable skill for any programmer looking to enhance their coding abilities.